Your life is constantly changing, but your child support order doesn't automatically change to keep up. If you changed jobs, became disabled, had other children, or it's been years since you last addressed your child support, the amount you receive or pay may not be the appropriate amount anymore. If you have an open case with the Washington State Department of Social and Health Services Division of Child Support, you can ask DCS to review and possibly adjust your order. It's a legal process called modification, and it is a process with a number of steps that can take some time. Keep in mind, though, that we can guide you through the process step by step. However, we can't provide any legal advice, and we don't represent either party because we're here as a resource for both parents. If you don't have an open case with DCS, you may still want to contact us to discuss what other options might be available. Part of the modification process will involve filling out some forms. Before you can do that, you'll need to know what type of child support order you have so you can get the correct forms. Is your child support order an administrative order, which means it was set by the Division of Child Support, or a court order, which means it was set by Superior Court? If you're not sure, we can help you figure it out. Modifying an administrative order is generally a more streamlined process because it has less paperwork and can be done by settlement if the parties agree or in a telephonic hearing before an administrative law judge. A court order involves a few additional forms and a review process. If your case meets the criteria for modification, DCS works with the family support prosecutor to file the case in court. While you may not be required to appear in court, the county prosecutor does not represent you, and you may want to appear to ensure that the court understands what you'd like to see happen in your case. The county prosecutors and staff working on your case may request information and documents from you to prepare the case. Timely response to those requests is important. So where do you start? To start the process, send us an email at dcsmods@dshs.wa.gov. In the subject line, put Request for Child Support Modification. In the body of the email, include your contact information, name, address, phone number, and case number if you know it. This information is very important because we need to be able to get a hold of you if we have additional questions. If you don't have access to email, you may call us at 360-664-5200. We'll get this information to your assigned support enforcement officer, SEO, or claims officer. They will determine if you have an administrative order or a court order and send you the proper forms to start filling out. Fill them out to the best of your ability, and then work with your SEO to fill in any missing information before submitting them. If you know what type of support order you have, administrative or court order, you can also get the forms online at dshs.wa.gov/ESA/division-child-support/child-support-modification. Some of the information requested will be about your finances, why you're requesting a modification, how you can document your change in circumstances, and your recent pay stubs. There are a number of factors that could impact the outcome and time it takes, such as if the other party doesn't agree to the proposed changes, it will take extra time and require a hearing. However, if the other party agrees to the proposed changes, it could be a quicker process. The judge may find your circumstances don't warrant a change to your child support. And keep in mind that a modification could be either an increase or decrease of the support payments. If you still have questions, contact your support enforcement officer, send an email to dcsmods@dshs.wa.gov, or call the Community Relations Unit at 360-664-5200. At the Washington State Department of Social and Health Services Division of Child Support, we promise to provide respect and resources to every person, every day. So you don't have to search through the video to find it. Here's a list of the information you'll need to start the request for modification process. Send an email to dcsmods@dshs.wa.gov. In the subject line, put Request for Child Support Modification. In the body of the email, include your contact information, name, address, phone number, and case number. If you don't have access to email, you may call us at 360-664-5200. If you know what type of child support order you have, administrative or court order, you can also get the forms online at dshs.wa.gov/ESA/division-child-support/child-support-modification.